Why does your scanner show the P0936 engine code? What does it mean? P0936 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pressure, sensor circuit intermittent. The P0936 engine code indicates that the PCM or TCM is receiving an erratic, implausible, or missing signal from the sensor that monitors hydraulic fluid pressure. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, damaged wiring, harness, low hydraulic or transmission fluid, loaded electrical connectors, defective control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Range Rover, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.